Find $1 million meme coin traders and automatically copy each and every single one of their trades. Right now, meme coins are exploding, and I'm going to show you a way that you can analyze and find top $1 million meme coin traders, and then within the same Telegram bot, you can actually copy trade them. So as they're making thousands of dollars each and every day, you can begin to copy trade and follow along all of their profitable trades. If you enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe. In today's video, I'll be using the Telegram bot, TradeWiz bot. I'll leave the link in the video description. You get 10% off fees and you get access to their smart wallet and copy trading features, which I'm going to be deep diving in today's video. First thing I need to do is actually find a top trending token, because once I find a top trending token, that's how I can deep dive within the token using TradeWiz to find $1 million meme coin traders. And then within TradeWiz, we can go ahead and copy trade them. So I start on the website Dex Tools right here. What I do on Dex Tools, come over to this left-hand side and actually click on stats. This is a really secret tool that not a lot of people know about, because what I'm doing is actually coming to stats and it's going to check the current trends and hot pairs for any single exchange. So the specific settings that I use here, I actually come over to Solana. Clearly Solana is the #1 blockchain for meme coins. Then I actually select Radium, because there's all these other exchanges. Not only am I selecting the #1 blockchain, but then I'm going to select the #1 decentralized exchange within Solana, which is Radium. Now, look right here, I actually have 10 of the top trending meme coins right now. So I'm actually given a list automatically of the hottest pairs right now, and they constantly update every 5 minutes. So within here, I can see these top trending coins. Then I'll be able to go through, open them up and actually find these top traders and then begin actually copy trading them. You can see within Dex Tools, I actually can go to this top traders section and find there are some traders up already. See millions of dollars right now. What I'll be able to do is now grab this contract address, paste it into TradeWiz, and I'll be able to analyze these traders in much more depth. So right here, what we do, come over and grab the contract address. Right here, we're on Peanut. So Peanut on Sol, you need to grab the contract address associated with the actual ticker. You can see there's the pair address and the ticker address. So we need this contract address right here. Then we come over to TradeWiz. Once we're on TradeWiz, this free feature right here, Smart Wallet. So we click on Smart Wallet and you can see right here, locate smart money for a specific token. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We click right here, locate smart money for a specific token. You can even give me a smart money address. We'll do that in later videos. So right here, we've got the contract address, paste it in right here, and TradeWiz, see, has automatically given us $1 million meme coin traders, as this trader is up $1 million, this trader's up 1.9 million, and all these other traders up hundreds of thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. What we will now do, go through these individual wallets and analyze them to see, are they super profitable over the last 7 days, over the last 30 days? And if they are, we can set up copy trading to make some super profitable and easy profits following all of their trades. So to begin analyzing these wallets, click on this left-hand side where you see the wallet address. Then this start will pop up. So you click on start, and now it's going to analyze this individual trader. So you can see we now have smart money profit analysis for this trader. You can see the profit in the last 7 days at this bottom section, $1.8 million. His win rate, 31%, so it's quite low, but he's traded 499 times. His average buy is actually for $3,000. So these are some very, very important statistics that you need to take into account, because let's say this trader made the exact same amount of profit, the exact same win rate, the exact same amount of trades, but actually his single buy amount was $1,000. That actually means he's less riskier of a trader, meaning he's more profitable in the long run, because he's made a lot of money, $1.8 million, but he's also risking a lot per trade. So if you can find a trader that's not only made a real solid amount of money in the millions to hundreds of thousands, but actually has a really small single buy, these are the #1 type of traders that you do want to find. Right here, we then have all this other analysis that we can do. You can see the individual on this trade, he made $1.9 million. He actually bought 48 times, and he sold 3 times in an 8-hour span, making it over 1,000%. Then on the next best trade, he made 21,000. You can see he bought 6 times, sold 3 times. The next trade, 12.9 thousand, bought 5 times, sold 11 times within a 1-hour period. Another key factor that you do want to take into account is the buy time between a lot of these trades. You do want to find traders that have at least 5 minutes between the buys and sells. You don't want to be finding traders that have even a minute or even 2. You want to have a little bit more of a time gap. Is going to allow TradeWiz to copy trade the trader even more effectively. If they're taking a lot of trades like you've noticed here, there's one for 50 seconds. It's not going to be effective because the buy and sell is coming in so quickly that you might not be able to copy trade this trader effective enough in the market. So we can also analyze in the last 24 hours, 7 days, which is the default setting, but 30 days is something that I like to do because I want to see that this trader has made a lot of money in the last 7 days, but he's actually made more money in the last 30 days. So we can see in the last 30 days, he's lost money. His win rate has gone down. Wow, he's traded over 4,000 times, but his single buy is actually a lot less. So closer to that 1,400 mark, which is a lot better. And we can see some of his other trades. He made 66,000, 60,000, 60,000, 50,000, 37,000. Overall, this trader wouldn't be the absolute worst trader to copy trade, but there are some things here, like he's traded basically 100 times in an hour. Going to be very hard to be able to copy trade this trader on some of his trades. Overall, we've found that he does have some quite good qualities in his trading, but overall wouldn't be the perfect target. The best thing to do would be to spend some time to find these $1 million traders that also fit the exact settings that I'm speaking about, having a really low single buy, having a decent time limit between each buy and sell. You can even go through the transaction records so you can track how quickly he's actually buying. So you can see he bought right here at 10.46 and then sold at 11.17. So something like this would actually be fantastic. And see, he bought 12.17, bought some more at 103, bought at 2, bought at 4.25, bought more at 4.43. So when you can actually go through and track, we can see it's actually taking about an hour between some of these trades, even 30 minutes, which is really, really good to see and would be really, really effective to become a copy trading target. Before I just copy trade this guy, let's actually have a look at a couple of other traders and see if they are better copy trading targets. If they're not, we'll jump into an example and I'll show you exactly how you can automatically copy trade this trader's trades. So we'll go over this second trader, click on the wallet. Now the start pops up, click on start, analyze this individual trader, go over the last 30 days. It looks like he's not trading. So even it looks like actually he's bought 2 times, sold 10 times, but in the last 30 days, he's only taken 1 trade. What you will see and you'll notice with this is that means that this trader's basically made a massive trade here. He doesn't want to be copy traded. He just transfers all of his profits to a completely new wallet, which potentially you could track because you could grab his wallet address, go into SolScan and see where he's sending the money, and then potentially be able to find a future trading wallet that he's using and then copy trade. Just something to look out for and know. But right now it's showing that he's only taken this 1 trade. He's made heaps of money. He made 19,000% on this trade, but again, he's moved on to another wallet. So we'll just move over to this third trader. This made nearly 500,000. Click on his wallet, click on start, and instantly we can see in the last 7 days made 400,000, basically all on 1 trade. Let's go to the last 30 days and see how he's done. He's actually lost a fair bit of money. Look, he's lost $90,000, 69,000, 45,000. So again, as much as we saw instantly here that this trader's made 453,000, that's why TradeWiz is so effective, because we can now go in and analyze each of these trades, see how much he's winning, how much he's losing, and actually we can see that this guy's losing a lot of money on his trades. Look at his single buy. He's an extremely risky trader. He's buying for $10,000 on each buy. So again, using TradeWiz, fantastic, because it's super easy to analyze all of these traders. And then soon we'll actually create copy trading very, very soon. We'll move on to the next target. Let's go through here. Let's use this as the last example for the smart wallet analysis. We can see right here, this is not very good. Look, he made 400,000, but he lost 200,000, lost 200,000. It's clear this is not going to be good trader to copy trade. Again, That's why I love to be able to have this smart money profit analysis. Let's actually use the first wallet. This first wallet was the #1 wallet overall that we have found. Quite consistent because he's very consistently making over 50,000, 37,000 on some trades. So quite clear that this trader knows exactly what he's doing, and especially over the last 30 days, he's brought his single buy down, so he's not as risky, but still made $1.7 million. Traded 4,000 times, which is crazy as well. So at the bottom of this, you'll see that you have close and here create copy trading. So you can click right here and you'll be able to copy trade this exact trader, because once you click here, you see now one has popped up. We got a new notification at the bottom. We now have all of the settings to begin copy trading. Automatically, we've been given the target wallet. So the wallet address has been automatically pasted in here. We can have a tag. So this is the name section. You can put your own specific name. I'm going to leave it just as his wallet address. Now we do have some specific settings. There are a lot of these settings that, again, to make copy trading the most profitable for you, he's going to go through, backtest some of these settings and find which one works the best. Maybe turning on pump fund is good, turning off radium, maybe having a minimum market cap or a maximum market cap. Again, analyzing these specific copy traders and the overall trades that your copy trading bot on TradeWiz will take will be the best way to make even more money. Even if you're making money, there'll be a way to tweak the bot to make even more profit in the long run. So really going through and understanding these settings, well, after you've set it all up, will be the best way to make even more profit. So initially, when this buy percentage is set at 100%, that means that you're going to copy trade him at a 100% ratio. So if he's buying for 1,000, you'll also be buying for 1,000. But to limit this, what I like to do is set up a maximum buy. So let's say I only want to enter for a maximum of 1 Solana per trade. So then that will mean my maximum entry price and buy will be only for 1 Solana. And I can also set my minimum. So we'll have one for the maximum buy, one for the minimum buy. Again, that just means and limits my risk. Even though he's going to be buying for thousands of dollars, I'm only going to be buying for my select amount that I set here. I can also set my total investment amount in Solana. So if I say, okay, I'm going to let this guy buy with 1 Solana and my total investment, I'm going to allow him to invest 50 Solana total, because you would have noticed with some of their trades, they're buying more than once. You can see some of these traders, they're buying 11 times, buying 10 times, buying 20 times. So we do need to give him enough capital to actually take these copy trades and make enough money, because sometimes his strategy would be to buy low or maybe actually dollar cost average in. We need to allow enough money, because if we don't, we won't be able to copy trade all of the trades. And again, we're not following his system. Probably we won't make as much money if we don't allow enough investment. So again, we could set this at something like 20 or 50. Again, completely up to you. Then let's just set this at 20 right here. Then you could see each token buy times, not limited. A lot of these settings, again, is going to be the way to optimize TradeWiz and the copy trading to your absolute best. But right here, I'm going to initially leave a lot of these settings. You can see like turning unrenounced contracts off or on, turning unburnt contracts on and off, copying pump fund tokens. So you could turn this off and on, and radium tokens. Also putting a minimum market cap. Maybe you've noticed that a trader, and I'll show you in future videos how you can deep dive even further into a trader's analysis. You might see that this trader's trading a lot of 50,000 market cap coins or 5,000, and you don't want that. So you can turn that off, and you see maybe he's not profitable in that range, but he's profitable in the $250,000 market cap zone. Well, again, you can select and change all of these settings. You also have slippage. So you can select the specific slippage for pump fund and also just the normal slippage for normal tokens on radium. We also have the buy gas fee and sell gas fee. This is going to be important, because the higher the gas fee, the quicker your transaction will come in, and will mean that you'll be able to copy trade the trader even faster. Once the trader's trade has been seen, your trade then needs to come in and then quickly be executed in the market. So setting your own gas fees and understanding what the best gas fees are. Quite right now, they are a little bit high. But again, if you do want to copy trade with enough money, you do want to set some higher settings. But if you do have less of a trading account, you might want to reduce these a little bit. Turning anti-MEV is recommended. This is just going to allow so you don't get front run by bots on a lot of trades and leave this tip amount really small, which is fine. You can even put your own take profits and amounts like your auto sell. But again, if you set up your own auto sells, you're not following their strategy. So I'm going to leave these specific settings, and then I hit create right here. And now I'm copy trading a $1 million meme coin trader. He's made millions of dollars, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars on some of these trades like you've seen. And now I've set myself up using TradeWiz to copy each and every single one of his trades. Make sure to use the link in the video description for TradeWiz to get a massive 10% off all of your trading, copy trading fees, and access to this smart wallet feature. And now we go and deep dive into even more different copy traders, find more profitable $1 million traders, copy trade them to take advantage of this current crazy meme coin market. If you've enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my meme coin mastery course, and I'll see you in the next video.